Are you ready for a magical, colorful adventure? VO! Today we're making rainbow glitter slime. It's fun, easy, and totally mesmerizing. Get your creativity flowing and let's dive into this super fun DIY sensory experience. But first, let's grab our supplies. Here's what you'll need to make your very own glowing rainbow slime at home. And remember, always have adult supervision while making slime. Safety first. Now, let's start mixing. Step 1. Pour in the glue. Now, it's time for the magic. Slowly add your activator while stirring. Look at that! The glue is transforming into slime. Keep mixing until it becomes stretchy and smooth. Now that our base is ready, let's bring on the rainbow magic. To make our rainbow effect, we need 6 different colors. Time to add some food coloring. Wow! These colors are so bright. But wait, let's make it even more magical. A little sparkle goes a long way. And now we have shimmering, dazzling, magical slime. Now let's mix all our colors together and create a rainbow swirl. Look at that! Our slime is so stretchy, gooey, and fun. The best part? You can squish, squeeze, and swirl your slime however you want. And there you have it, your very own rainbow glitter slime. It's colorful, squishy, and so much fun. Before you go, remember to store your slime in an airtight container to keep it fresh for longer. Now it's your turn. Try this at home. Share your slime creations in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome DIY videos.